Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to create a Martini glass, and then we're going to put some coiled helixes up on the left and right hand side. Okay, we'll go ahead and go open up the program, select new design. We'll change to plan view. Go ahead and minimize. We'll bring in our picture. Put that right in the center. Okay, we're going to go ahead and draw half of this because it's going to be revolved. So we'll put a line down the middle, 3.625 inches. Select to click off. Now we're going to grab our line tool and start. We're going to put a line out to 1.75 inches. And we're going to put a little base, 0.125. Click. Then we're going to come in 0.125. Then we're going to draw down to here, which is 1.945 inches. And we're going to go to here, which is 1.505. We're going to come out. Can't really see. We'll just come out to that first click, and then we're going to go down 0.125. And we're going to come out to here, which is 0.791. Then we're going to go down 0.125, and then we're going to complete the select to click off. Okay, we're going to draw this as solid, and this is going to be offset. Don't really need that line. We can get rid of the middle line. Okay, now we're going to grab our offset tool. We're going to offset 0.088. Okay, and then go ahead and put a line in here since this is going to be solid. We'll put the line in there. Now we'll grab another line. Go from endpoint to endpoint. Okay. Now I want to put a little fillet in there, so we'll grab the create rounded corners. We'll click there, up to there, and we'll do 0.640. So we have a nice round. Get the offset tool. Trim there, we'll trim there. Let's Control plus. For some reason, excuse me, not wanting to trim that. So we'll go get the 3-point arch. Go from endpoint to endpoint. Let's turn off our snaps. All right, that looks good. Now we'll Control plus. We'll go up here. Let's pan down. Finish that right there, but I'm going to make it round, so we'll get the 3-point arch. Endpoint to endpoint. Okay. I'm going to put a little fillet in here also, so it's not sharp. 0.182. And I'm going to go ahead and round this part off there. So get the rounded corners. Might have to put a circle in there. Let's just grab a circle. Let's get our trim away. Alright, that looks like a nice flowing Martini glass. We'll go ahead and get the create rounded corners. We're going to put a corner in here. 0.697. Let's pan up. Put a corner down here. Let's grab our fillet. Let's put one there. One there. and then one there. Grab our trim away tool, get rid of that line. Let's zoom in. I think there's another little piece we need to get rid of. Pan up, yeah, right there. Get the trim away. Let's get rid of that and put another line in there. The first one was kind of janky. Go endpoint to endpoint. Let's put a curve. Let's put a round circle in right here, or fillet. Click there to there. 0.61. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and revolve this. I'm not sure if I want to put that in there though. Let's just take a look. Let's pull pan down. I want to put that little round part in there. I guess we could. Let's grab a rectangle, but I'm going to make mine lower. Let's pull it out to about there. 0.361 inches wide and 0.183 inches tall. Let's grab our rounded corners. Put a fillet there. Put one there, and then we'll trim away. Should probably put some in here too. Let's Control plus. Grab the create rounded corners. We'll click there. 0.024. Okay, that's going to be good to start with. Control minus, Control minus. Let's click on the graphic, hit delete. So go ahead and pull. Select the profile. Click the revolve. Click on this middle piece, full pull. Okay, now we want to go ahead and spin this a little bit. Let's click on this line here. Hit K. And we're going to go to plan view. Actually, let's go here to top view. Okay. Now we're going to put our coil circle up. So we'll go Control plus. We're going to pan up. Let's grab the circle tool. Let's put an 0.113 circle. And then we'll do one over here. We got two of them. We'll go to pull. I'm going to click the circle. I'm going to go revolve. I'm going to revolve from there. I'm going to come over here and say revolve helix. And then we're just going to pull this up. Go all the way to the top right here. Okay, now we'll go ahead and select, click off. Now we're going to grab that one. Select pull. I'm going to say revolve. Revolve around there. And we're going to go right-handed helix, revolve. Now we're going to pull this one up. Let's undo that. Oh, I undid both of them. Okay, we'll have to redo this over again. So let's go to select. Let's click this one, pull, go to revolve. Revolve around here. Revolve helix. Let's pull this up. Okay, go to there. Select to click off. Now we'll select this one, pull. We have to come over here and say add because it feels like it wants to cut. So we'll say revolve, revolve around here, and then we'll revolve helix. Then we're going to go ahead and pull this one up too. Click off. Actually wanted that to be smaller. Excuse me, my dog just sneezed. Let's just do one helix for now. We don't need to put two in there. Let's get rid of that. Grab that one. It looks better with one. Revolve helix. Revolve around here. Oops, I think I did that wrong. Click off. Click on the circle. Select pull. Rotate around here. Revolve helix. And just pull this up. Select to click off. Okay. The only thing I don't like is this little end piece. I'd have to pull that. Let's keep pulling that. Maybe it can go around a little bit further. Oops. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Let's go to the top. All right, this is going to be our Martini glass with the helix coil around here. You can also use this this method here to do screw threads, bolt threads. You can put the threads on the screw. You just right down here on the left hand side, you just draw a triangle and then you helix it around and that creates your threads. And then if you do one on the inside, you do it on the inside here, it actually cuts out the screw holes or screw threads. All right, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. Thanks for watching.